I had persistent weight gain, couldn't shake off the weight even though I was in many weight loss programs. Had menstrual problems, had just this feeling of not being quite right, not being quite healthy. Also, I started getting dizzy and having brain fog. And when I went to my doctor, I was told that I was probably starting perimenopause. So my doctor recommended hormone therapy, but I wasn't that keen on that because I don't like taking pills, I don't like take medicines, and I don't want to get shots either. So, I had remembered that I had seen the Integrated Wellness page about a year ago, and I decided it was worth investigating. And I had this feeling that, life shouldn't be that hard, that, why should one go through dizziness and brain fog, and it should be fairly easy to be healthy. So when I made the appointment with Dr. Shields, he went through the history and he asked me what I wanted to do and what was my goal. And I said, I was a dancer, I am a dancer. And I was starting to get pains in my knees and other joints, so I was finding it difficult to dance. So I told him that I wanted to do a 3-hour full dance recital. And he said, well, I know I can help you. I don't know if you can do a 3-hour recital, but I know I can help you. So we got the testing done, and I was really amazed to see the extensive testing. Usually I'm used to seeing half a page. Here it's just 7 pages of testing. And we found that I had nutritional deficiencies, and there were some other imbalances. So we were able to identify, Dr. Shields was able to identify the root causes of why I was feeling the way I was feeling. And I began care with Dr. Simmons, and within a week, my brain fog was gone, my dizziness was gone. I felt so much better. And within a month, my sugar levels had dropped down to being pre-diabetic. So within 4 months, I was not diabetic anymore. And no joint pain, feeling amazing energy, normal periods, just everything felt so much better. So now, of course, I still continue to maintain the lifestyle and feel really good. And last August, I was really proud that I danced. I participated in a 2-hour recital along with my 13-year-old daughter. So I'm really proud of that, and we did a really good job, I think. And another side benefit has been that I used to get 6 or 7 sinus infections a year, and I had to take antibiotics for them to go away. And since past year, I haven't had a single sinus infection. It's really been a life-changing experience. And I also lost 50 pounds along the way, so that was pretty nice too. One of the other things that happened was that all my irritability and mood swings went away. So, it's much easier to like a happy person, right? But also, people started noticing the weight loss almost immediately. So, it was really nice to get compliments, all the time. So that, you're looking great, what you do, it's really working for you. So all that was pretty nice too. But I guess the biggest thing was to feel like I got my health back. I would say, give functional medicine a try and come in and, just make an appointment to see Dr. Shields or one of the other doctors at the practice. And I was a skeptic before I started care. I had read all the scientific journals, I had read all the medical journals, and I had read a lot of the results about what you need to do in order to encounter diabetes. You have to take a statin, you have to take a metabolic drug, and so on. So I was a skeptic before I started functional medicine care, but now I'm a total believer, and it's changed my life.